2 back.
Hey guys, it's Mel's vlog, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, first thing you will need is glue. Oh yeah, and I'm with my cousin Landon.
Oh yeah, she forgot that, like usual.
And
I'm
first,
just kidding.
now add glue. He's going to add glue too. And then I add soda in mine too to make it less sticky. Or do you want me to add soda in yours too?
Probably good.
Boom.
Oh my gosh, guys!
It got on the side of my cheek. It's okay.
It's okay.
We're in a bathroom. You can easily just go and
Wash
get
it
stuff.
off.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. Put it on everywhere. Soda wet.
I actually spilled it.
Yeah, me too.
I spilled it everywhere.
Okay, so now it's kind of liquidy. That's what it's supposed to do.
Yes.
Landon,
Yes.
are you?
Okay, we're
We're
back.
back.
So
Because our dad bailed us out.
okay, we're gonna add shaving cream. I don't add a lot. See, I'm not adding a lot. Okay, add a little bit. Yep. Don't bump me. I'm adding a little bit more
Bump.
soda. I like it fluffy, but fluffy. I don't know what I just said. I like it
I like it
fluffy.
fluffy, but I like it fluffy.
Yeah, that made no sense. Fluffy, but fluffy.
I made it fluffy, but I like it fluffy.
Okay, so that's as much as I have now. I'm just stirring it. Now this is gonna feel like a cloud. I'm naming this cloud. Its name will be Cloud.
Oh, my last one was Clouders.
Cloud.
Clouders.
Cloud.
I don't know what my this one should be.
Oh my gosh, it's like exploding, guys, because I have too much. Already landed.
That's good. You don't need as much activator. You only need like 3 or 2 drops.
I add activator a little at a time.
Because then it'll get together. If you add too much activator,
It'll
ruin
ruin
the
your
slime.
slime.
that you got.
And you will know that your slime is done when it stops sticking to the bowl or whatever you're using. So now my slime is done. And I'm just getting it all out like that and kneading it. I love it so much.
Oh, I need some wait. This one's
That's
really
mine.
good. That one's really bad. How did you get so much activator? I mean, so much shaving cream.
I don't know.
But it's true, I didn't steal anything.
I know you never did steal anything.
What?
It was, remember, it wasn't us. It was that one girl.
She gave it to us.
Yeah, and then we just threw it and walked away. Remember?
Because Ariana didn't believe us.
Yeah, and we didn't want to steal it.
We didn't steal
this
anything.
girl just gave it to-
Stealing's bad.
Yeah, we didn't even steal anything. This girl gave us something, and then we just threw
She was
it.
like, here.
Can you have
and then we
this?
saw a tag on it, and then
We
we
just
were
threw
like,
it.
no. We would get the alarm set off.
Yeah, and she's like, I didn't steal it though, and we didn't know for sure, so we just threw it and walked away. Literally, we threw it. Boom.
Guys, I'm not a YouTuber. She is. We just spend the night over and
Yeah,
stuff.
we're having a Christmas party, that's why. Because it's Christmas. Oh yeah, Merry Christmas, guys. I totally
Merry
spaced
Christmas.
that.
Okay, mine is done. Just kidding.
Mine's almost done. Okay.
I should just make this with the spoon right now because it doesn't look fully done.
Yeah. Mine is. Mine's really good. This is mine.
Guys, I'm stirring it on the floor. Well, not on the floor, on the counter. You guys can't see because
Here, I'll show you guys.
it didn't look so good. So we had to do it on the counter.
That's what he's talking about. Okay. I'm just stirring it to get all the stuff in. And on the glue, all in the slime. There we go.
If you guys don't want to, well, I would recommend using a bowl.
Yeah, don't use what we use, because then it will explode and everything.
Yeah, I would recommend using a bigger thing than this so it doesn't overflow.
Yeah, way bigger.
If you want to make a lot of slime.
Like a normal size bowl, or you can use like one of these. It's one of my slime containers though, so don't use it.
Yeah,
I don't use
all
it.
of our slimes down there that we made.
Yeah, go check out our my slime collection video, and you'll see it. Okay, I need to add a little more activator because mine's still too sticky.
Mine's still way too sticky. Why am I still holding this? I don't know why.
Okay.
Ah! Look! I can't get it off of me. See, look, guys. I tried to get it off of me, but it just went on me.
Our parents don't care we're doing this because they're too busy having fun. They're too busy playing their game.
Yeah.
So they don't care what we do as long as it's not inappropriate.
Yeah. But I swear we didn't steal any slime or squishies.
We never stole slime or squishies. This girl did, and she gave it to us.
She was like, or squishies. She was like, here guys, do you want any of this squishy stuff? And she was like, and we were like, yeah, sure. Did you buy it? And she was like, yeah.
And then we
no, she
said,
didn't buy it.
let us see the receipt then. And she said, I don't have a receipt. And I was like, then you didn't. She gave it to us and she walked away. And I said, wait, hold on. Do you have a receipt? And I was like, she was like, yeah. And I was like, show me then. And she's like, and she looked in her pockets and stuff. And she's like, I don't have a receipt. I was like, boom, you stole it. And I threw it.
People don't believe us in life much.
Okay. My slime is officially done. Look at that.
Guys, mine isn't done. She's a professional.
Okay. This is my second slime. I'm going to mix them together soon. Not yet. Making this one fluffier than it is.
Guys, it's not molding the shape.
His isn't turning out too well.
No, look, guys.
Here, go over there and show them.
It's really stuck to my hands.
Yeah.
I need to get it quick.
Okay, he's done with his now. Okay, let me see it.
Kind of done.
Yeah, he's done with his. This is his. It's really good. And yeah, that's all of the video. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.